Bryce, as the Director of Equipment Operation, what are the attributes that you want out of equipment when you buy it?
Uptime and reliability is the most important thing that we're looking for. The thing that sets equipment apart, as far as I'm concerned, is the reliability of it and the ability to keep it up and running out in the field. Because realistically, it definitely is a partnership between a vendor and a contractor of our size.
How big is your fleet?
Roughly, you're probably looking at, with cranes included, about 250 pieces of civil equipment.
What is it about Komatsu equipment that you like?
Komatsu really does a good job of staying in the front of technology to give you an understanding of, you know, with Tier 4 and all the other things that are going on. Komatsu really does a good job of staying kind of in front of that and letting the customer know what they need before they even know they need it sometimes.
Specifically, what do you like about the intelligent machine?
The intelligent machine takes a lot of the guesswork out of moving dirt for an operator. It definitely makes things a lot easier for the person sitting in the cab to know exactly what his cut or fill is in a certain situation.
You know, Komatsu has the Komachi Care program. Have you used that yet? Have they come out and done the services?
They have done some of the services for it, and on the Komatsu side of thing, the Comtrax has been very beneficial to us. Komatsu, realistically, when Tier 4 came out, in my opinion, they were kind of at the forefront as far as getting an understanding of the no idling requirements on the new Tier 4 engines, and really having an understanding of what's in the best interest for this piece of equipment, so they could educate the customers, which is myself, on what's required for that piece of equipment in order to get as many hours as we possibly can out of it.
The CARE program, they come out and they do the services, the routine maintenance kind of thing. Do you think that that's a good program? Does that help?
It is. Quite frankly, mechanics are very, very hard to come by in this industry, and having the ability to have Komatsu take care, or General Equipment take care of some of that stuff for you is very beneficial for us, because it not only takes care of the equipment as we're out on the field, but it gives the mechanics that we have a little bit of training to understand when they come out and see exactly what we're doing, so they can understand what needs to be done as far as the next time something has to get taken care of.
Now, do you buy parts and things from General?
We do.
You need?
Yep.
Okay. And how are they about having things on hand?
They do a very good job of keeping their stuff on hand. They do a good job with understanding the maintenance intervals on everything and what's going to go out before it does.
Tell me a little bit about the Linkbelt cranes. What do you like about those?
The Linkbelt cranes, they've been around for a very long time. They're American made, which is always a plus for an American contractor. Linkbelt goes out of their way to understand what the needs are of the customer, and a lot of the equipment that we deal with on the crane side of things, they're big and not very common. So the ability to have parts on hand down at the factory, and the ability to have a tech that can jump on a plane to diagnose something if General doesn't have an expert that's capable of handling that, is very beneficial to them. And they really put us through the ringer on a really good training program to understand when we're jumping in a new piece of equipment that's valued at $2 million, that they'll get you out there and get you trained up on it and understand exactly all the bells and whistles that we have to deal with.
Or no problem with power to lift a wind blade or a tower or anything like that?
Nope, they do a very good job for us.